everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we are going to be doing a teaser of JNAA Privilege project which is located near Gaikwad Nagar Road, Katevasti, Pune and is developed by JN Realty and Homes. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected home buyers directly to its developers, giving you all and bottom rate guarantee. Unlike property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builder, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you a project overview with the help of project's 3D model, JNAA Privilege will be constructed on 2.75 acres of land parcel with 4 towers, each having of ground floor, 4 podiums plus 17 floors, with 2 BHK to 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the surroundings and the location of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the entrance of JNAA Privileges sales office, which is on the right hand side, and the land parcel which is behind the sales office. Now coming to the location part of the project, it is located near Gaikwad Nagar Road, Katevasti, Pune. The road being shown to you right now is the Gaikwad Nagar Road which connects to Mumbai-Bangalore highway. It also has the connectivity of Zudio which is within 2.5 kilometers, Mumbai-Bangalore highway which is within 2.7 kilometers and D-Mart which is within 4.8 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के amenities के बारे में with the help of the project's 3D model. JNAA Privilege project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities in which clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, jogging track, gymnasium and many more are included. So now discussing about the carpet area of the project. JNAA Privilege project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies in which 2 BHK starting from 696 to 736 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 940 to 1081 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details with project's 3D model. We'll share with you the pricing and payment schemes and we'll also show you the actual location of the site. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the teaser of JNAA Privilege project which is located near Gaikwad Nagar Road, Katevasti, Pune and is developed by JN Realty and Homes. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our Housey's YouTube channel and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.